Good morning. Today has been another great one. We've got that beautiful blue sky and comfortable conditions, nice and warm out there today, and just quiet weather too. The wind has not been that strong in Fargo. Out of the east, only at 7 miles per hour right now. We've got a 77-degree temperature, and so is Moorhead at 77. And in Grand Forks, more sunshine as well. 75 degrees in Grand Forks currently. We've got wind out of the southeast at 9 miles per hour. So looking good with that gorgeous blue sky across the region, and we'll get to keep that around through the afternoon. Here's a look at the radar and satellite map. Not much to show you here. It's pretty quiet. Just a few clouds that have been popping over to the east, up by Lake of the Woods and the Red Lake areas. We're seeing some of those fair weather cumulus clouds, nothing in eastern North Dakota. So we're going to take a trip down to the southeast to check in on Ida. It is currently a depression at this point, and it is max sustained winds at 30 miles per hour, picking up some speed. That's good to see, because the slower it goes, the more opportunity there is for flooding in spots, and that is the big risk with this one now. It's moving to the northeast at 15 miles per hour, so it'll continue moving through the eastern part of the country and eventually clear in the coming days, but until then, a lot of flood concerns in that area. So for this afternoon, we're going to quickly talk about today because it's gorgeous. It's going to be great. We don't really have any concerns going on weather-wise for us today. Temperatures are in the 70s to some 80s. And as we head into the afternoon, again, we're looking at that number kind of hanging around here. So looking good for us for tonight and overnight. Now, once we get into the day tomorrow, this is Wednesday morning where we're starting our hour-by-hour planner at 7 a.m. The wind will have already started picking up. We'll have some gusts into the 20s out of the southeast. Temperatures are going to be in that same range here. We're looking at 50s to start, 70s to around 80 for your highs tomorrow, but it comes with that stronger wind. We'll start with sunshine. This time tomorrow, we're watching those clouds build in from the west, and into the afternoon, it's windy and we've got more clouds moving in. That'll be the difference from today to tomorrow. We won't have that rain just yet. But as we work our way into the later part of your Wednesday evening and beyond, we'll be watching for that potential for some rain and some thunder showers, likely not until late. So as we move ahead into that 9 o'clock hour, you can see some action in central North Dakota. We're trying to get some of that going here in the valley. This is 11 o'clock tomorrow evening. We've got gusts into the 30s at that point in time out of the southeast. And then we see some of these storms start to develop overnight and continuing to lift in as we head into the morning hours for Thursday. And watch what happens. This is 10 a.m. on Thursday. You can see the focus in the southern valley. Though we do have storms north, the wider area of rain and thunder is going on in the south. This just continues all day long. And so that leads to rain building up and totals building up. And eventually that moves off to the east, but it will take its time. This is 11 o'clock for your Thursday evening. So an opportunity at picking up some good rain. We do need to watch out though for some strong to severe storms. And in fact, tomorrow night, I would say late again and overnight is when we have that risk marginal, low end, that lowest end 1 out of 5 risk in places like Jamestown, southeastern North Dakota, and then point south from there. Everybody has a chance at a thunderstorm though. And here's a look at our rainfall potential. This is through 11 o'clock Thursday night. You can see the focus is on the south for that widespread area of potentially an inch or more. Now, not every single person in this area is going to see that amount, but the potential is certainly there. And we're looking at some areas that may even get more than that. So a good rain shower yet again. We could use it yet again here in the valley as we're trying to crawl our way out of this drought. So here's a look at our 7-day planner. For today, again, looking good. We see the changes starting Wednesday, and Thursday will be the most impactful day. We have a first alert weather day for Thursday, with the potential for a few showers or even a thunder shower Saturday and Monday for your Labor Day weekend. Temperatures in the low 70s. Not a bad Labor Day weekend ahead.
Sounds nice, but it seems like everything we want to do, we should probably do it today while it's nice.
Yeah, you know, tomorrow if you don't mind the wind, you can be outdoors, but it's going to start to get quite breezy.
Oh, Mary Poppins.